It is Monday. Can't remember when the last time I filmed was. Just in the studio anyway, and I'll run out and show you my outfit outside. I think it's raining though, so we'll see how we get on. But kind of cozy. It is not that warm today. I did put on shorts today, but I don't know whether that was a good idea or not. I did my market yesterday. I didn't film because I left my camera in the studio over the weekend, and I also need a new memory card, so I didn't even have space to film, but it went really well. I'm doing another one in 2 weeks time, I think. Try and find some time to get everything up on Depop as well, because I know a few of you were interested in maybe getting some pieces, so I will update my Depop when I find the time. Sorry, it's a bit loud as well. There's always a truck like outside my studio during the week with its engine running. Yes, I'm gonna go outside and I'll show you my outfit outside, and if anything else exciting today happens, I'll film that. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I've come out to show you my outfit outside. Yeah, it's raining. I'm going to talk you through here first because I don't want my camera to be out in the rain too long. The jumper is, I think, really old H&M. It's kind of like a cross ballerina type thing. Glasses, ASOS, and then you've seen this little sparkly top before, and then all my necklaces from Betty and Biddy. Then I have on my jelly shoes, which are Juju, I think, jelly shoes, and these ASOS socks, and then these like thrifted sports shorts. So welcome back to another outfits of the week. I hope everyone's doing well. This is what I was wearing in July. I'll leave the tag for my Instagram and my TikTok here, and I post a lot more kind of up to date and behind the scenes content there too, if you want to follow me there. Yeah, so keep watching, and if you enjoy, it'd be great if you could give this video a like, leave me a comment, or subscribe. All that stuff really helps me to grow this channel and is much appreciated. It is raining pretty hard now, so I'm gonna go inside and we'll chat in a minute. Good morning, it's the next day. It's not raining, which is amazing. I have on kind of a fun outfit today, very casual, but nice for the sunny weather. I showed you this t-shirt before. This is the one I thrifted from eBay, and I just have it tucked up with these trousers. I got these like, I think like 13 years ago in Edinburgh, like at a vintage flea market. I have on my Ganni sandals, my ASOS sunglasses, Betty and Biddy chains and hoops. Yeah, that is the outfit then for today. Yeah, so I'm just going to run around to the charity shops before I start the studio day, so let's go do that, and if I get anything I'll either show you in the fitting rooms or when I get back. Okay, just back in the studio, and I didn't film inside any of the shops. I know a few of you always are like, oh, can you please film inside the charity shops? The shops here are really small and sometimes really busy and kind of hard to film. I don't necessarily want to be filming other people, but I do, whenever I can, I do, and I try and like film if I'm in the changing room trying something on and that kind of thing. But I didn't today, but I'll show you what I got. I got these two new pieces, both dresses, so pretty. So first of all, I got this ASOS little summer dress. I think it's so cute. It's got like a real ruffly frilly bottom, got kind of like all this lace detail on it. It's kind of sheer, but I suppose you just layer it up. It's nice and light for summer. I might try it on and I'll show you what that looks like on. Just like a basic nice light summer piece. It's ASOS. And then this is so nice, quite unusual really. It's like this lovely little A-line dress. And then what I really like are the sleeves. They're quite unusual. So you put like your arm through here, and then this piece kind of stays up and a little bit ruffly, and I like that the two fabrics are different. And then there's like a little nice button closure at the back. That is the brand there, which I've never heard of before. So yeah, they're the two pieces that I got. Oh, I also got, I think I showed you before, but I got these socks a while ago, and I actually just picked up another pair because they're so perfect. I think they're just like vintage acrylic nylon socks, like perfect, like knee high, kind of like football style sock. So yeah, I got that too. Yeah, so that is my haul for today. This is my new summer thing that I have been doing. It gets so warm in the studio because there's like such, like half the studio is like windows, so it does get warm. But I got this, like, it's kind of like a fake Nalgene bottle from Sauceden Green, and I just make a huge iced coffee, kind of mainly milk and water and oat milk. So I don't know, I'm obsessed. So yeah, huge, a lot of it is water, like around this much is water, so it's not like just pure coffee. But that's like my summer treat. I'm gonna get back to studio work now, and I have the Olympics on in the background. Yes, I'll catch you in the morning. Good morning. It is Thursday today, and I've just come out to show you my outfit. It's lovely and sunny today, so I have a bit of a fun outfit on. I'm also going to see a show tonight. I'm going to see Waxahachie. So I kind of made a bit of an effort with my outfit, but I'll show you now. This little skirt, I don't know if I've showed you yet, I thrifted this. It's really old A-wear. I love like little ruffle skirts like that, and I have it on with this studded belt. I think this is old Stradivarius. Then just like a crop kind of tight top and a vintage blazer. And then my necklaces are Betty and Biddy from, they gifted them to me like at the start of the year. ASOS glasses, and oh yeah, some Betty Biddy hoops. You've seen me wear these a million times, and some cute little loafers. So that's my outfit for today. It's quite sunny today, so I'll show you kind of without blazer. So that is today's outfit. Good morning, it is Friday, and I've just come outside to show you my outfit. I'm also going to film one of my bags. I made these like new charms, so I wanted to get some content. Yeah, so I thought I'd show you my outfit at the same time. It's Friday today, so weekend. It's literally just started raining. Okay, so just come out. It's actually so windy, but I'm just filming the bag outside. It started raining as well, but yeah, that's how it looks with the star bag. Yeah, so here is the bag that I am filming. And then this skirt, I think I showed you before, I thrifted that in, it's like really old Zara, and this is actually old Zara as well. I thought it matched quite well with the lavender of the bag. And I have on my jelly shoes again, and these socks that I think I showed you I thrifted a while back. Okay, so that is today's outfit. I think it's actually about to rain, so I'll have to run in. And if I have any fun outfits over the weekend, I'll show you. Catch you in a bit. it is Saturday and I've just been out in town. I was meeting friends, but I thought I'll show you my outfit as well. Find somewhere to put you and show you quickly. The bomber is Alpha Industries, and then this like crocheted cardigan I think I showed you when I unpacked all my summer clothes, and this skirt I showed you as well. And I unpacked all my summer clothes, and then I have on my Ghani sandals. Yeah, so that is my look. I'm just heading to get the train home. Good morning, it's Sunday, just out for a walk, and it's kind of rainy, but I thought I'd show you my outfit for today. My memory card just ran out, so I just have to film on a phone instead. But yeah, this was from Penny's and I thrifted it a while ago. I haven't actually worn it yet, but it reminds me a lot of like that Miu Miu collection with all the rain stuff. I'll put it like in here if I can find some images. But yeah, I think that's really cute. And then this skirt, I took that out of my summer clothes. I took that out of when I unpacked my summer clothes. You might have seen that. But I really like the pattern on that. Carhartt bag you've seen like so many times. Cap is from the Hello Kitty cafe in Vegas that I got a while ago. And I have on my Nikes, which I don't really wear that often, but I've had them for years. Yeah, and that is the outfit for today. Sunday today. Actually no, it's Monday, bank holiday Monday. It is so warm. I don't even know, it feels like I don't know, 26 to 28 degrees. Yeah, so this is my outfit. Got up pretty early, so I just kind of threw it together. I don't know if I really like it, but I've got my Ghani sandals on, this skirt that I thrifted a few years back, this belt, so amazing, thrifted that, I don't know, last year maybe. Really like how thick it is. This shirt is just from Primark I think, but I thrifted it. Uniqlo kind of side bag. ASOS glasses, yeah, and that is for today. So I'm just back home and I thought I'd quickly go through some bits that I have here that I've thrifted before I put them away while they're still in this bag. Okay, let's go through. Starting off with this piece, which is this, I might try stuff on if I have a minute. This is like a shoulder pad kind of jacket. It's like super vintage, beautiful piece with like the shoulder pad structure. I think if this was in like COS or like a designer brand, it would be so expensive, but I got that for like under a tenner, so that's really good. And then I got this furry bag, which I thought was really fun just for like styling, maybe like in winter. It's so soft, like a faux fur coat or something that might be really fun. This top, which I think is so cute, and it's got like this kind of beaded, cross detail at the back. And this is like really old. Does this brand still exist? Oasis? I don't know if that's showing up. And like it still has the price tag on from, look how, it's focusing, look how kind of old school that looks with the like the UK and the Irish prices on it. And I love how older pieces have kind of more considered like details, I suppose, like that, like the sleeves are beaded, and then there's all the screen print detail, and then like the cut of the item, and then also like the back detail with the cross. Anyway, I thought that was a really cute piece. 3 more things to show you here. So this little top, which is Zara, it's kind of like a see-through, like clear sequin piece. Love the sound. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love sequins. But I just love the idea of the kind of like sheer sequin and like ideas for layering. We'll see how I get on anyway. I really liked that. That was in Oxfam. And then 2 other things. I've got this belt, which is like one of those vintage kind of chain belts, which I think is amazing, styled like a slip dress. I really love these kind of belts, so whenever I see them I always pick them up. Yeah, and I just think sometimes a belt can just really transform an outfit, so really happy with that one. And then lastly, I got this belt of like the big buckle with the studded belt, but again for styling dresses and outfits, like adding a belt just really kind of elevates maybe an outfit. So yeah, that was a good find too. Just before I go, this is the kind of jacket, so you can see like the really structured shoulders in it. I think it's really pretty piece and so happy. Anyway, that is going to be it. I hope you enjoyed this week's outfits of the week and that there was some fun outfits that were maybe a little bit inspirational. I really love having a chat with you down in the comments, and I know some people were saying like, oh, your style is kind of like indie, it reminds me of indie, and I grew up like during that time. I was like a teenager during that time, and I always like, I love that whole kind of aesthetic, I suppose. Never really left me like that idea of like a sheer tie with a pointed boot, you know, like Kate Moss at Glastonbury or Alexa Chung, looking at like Tumblr style, or not even Tumblr, like more street style, I think, what people were wearing in the streets in London and that kind of thing. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, it'd be great if you could subscribe. I do videos like this twice a week. One is generally like an outfits of the week, and then the other one is a studio vlog of kind of what it's like running a small fashion business. So it's all kind of about slow fashion, or like slow approaches to fashion, thrifting, pre-loved, styling ideas, styling tips, all that kind of stuff. So it'd be great to have you here. If you'd like to subscribe, or you can like this video, that helps a lot too. Like, this channel is still really small, so anything like that really helps with the growth, or even exposure, that my video gets recommended or shown to other people too. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment if you want to have a chat below, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.